Hi, I'm Mohidul Saad, co-founder of solarinstallguru.com. I'm going to share the benefits you will reap when you adopt renewable energy in your personal and business life. You'll be empowered to make America energy independent while saving money and the planet. Solarinstallguru.com specializes in educating and training home and business owner on the benefits of renewable energy adoption. You learn how to reap the financial benefits and how it will help save the planet in the process. When you make renewable energy the source for your energy needs, you will not only slash your electricity bills by 90%, but also help reduce the greenhouse gases. All of our training materials are free for you to use, and I highly encourage you to share with your friends who are interested in saving money and the planet. I sincerely hope you'll get some benefit from our training materials. We provide 3 different self-paced training options, and they are all designed in such a way so that you can educate yourself at your own pace and at your convenience. The 3 different self-paced training options are: number 1, free ebook called 101 Ways to Install Solar System with Little or No Out-of-Pocket Cost. This free ebook is a comprehensive guide to saving money and the environment. This comprehensive guide covers topics which will provide the necessary knowledge so that you can have a successful and profitable solar energy installation while making America energy independent. Number 2 is the free online training seminars. There are various training topics for you to educate yourself on the solar energy adoption journey. The training topics are divided into 5 main areas. They are renewable energy adoption savings, federal solar tax credit and rebates, low cost, solar energy financing, environmental benefits, and solar energy equipment maintenance. The free online training seminars along with the free ebook will help you with a very successful and profitable solar energy installation while you help make America energy independent. Number 3 is the free home solar energy inspection. Home solar energy inspection is in-person chat with a solar energy expert before you dive in and make the final solar energy installation decision. This solar energy expert is a trained professional who is knowledgeable enough to answer questions related to solar energy installation, federal solar tax credit, tax rebates, low-cost financing, environmental benefits, equipments to buy, different kind of warranties, savings, maintenance, and much more. Towards the end of the energy audit, the solar energy expert will run a SIG savings tool using your home address. That tool analyzes 20 years worth of weather data for your specific location and provide you a customized savings report. The customized savings report will contain solar energy adoption savings summary, comparison of pre and post solar energy adoption savings, comparison of pre and post solar energy adoption environmental savings, federal solar tax credit savings, rebate savings, solar energy adoption investment, and low cost financing options. After you are 100% convinced on the benefits of solar energy adoption and feel confident to join the solar energy revolution, we can help. We can help you take the next steps of solar panel installation journey. We offer complete end-to-end solar energy adoption solution, starting from site inspection to solar energy system maintenance. Our complete end-to-end solar energy adoption solution includes not only site inspection and maintenance, but also vetting solar panel installers, applying for required permits for say city, county, your HOA if applicable. And we also help you buy the longest warranted equipments, timely solar panel installation, ordering bi-directional meter from your power company, providing the federal solar tax credit paperwork, solar rebate related paperwork, monitoring your solar energy production, and finally, we ask you to provide us a 5-star review to ensure your satisfaction guarantee. Our expert technicians will work with you until you are 100% satisfied with your solar energy system and its solar energy generation. We are not done until you have complete satisfaction. The entire process seems overwhelming and cumbersome, but don't worry, we have figured it out. Only thing we ask from you is to make sure you are 100% convinced on the benefits of solar energy adoption. We will do the rest for you. If you are not convinced on the benefits of installing solar energy system for your home or business, take your time, and we suggest not rushing. Solar energy is not going anywhere, but keep an eye on the federal solar tax credit and tax rebates, as they are scheduled to expire at different times. What are you waiting for? Go make a difference. Thank you.